Hey there! This is how most of us are working with Salesforce today to update a few opportunities, maybe tweak the close date, stage, and I'm already clicking into different pages, waiting on load times, switching tabs. It's really slow and frustrating. Let me show you a new way to update opportunities with Wave. Here's the opportunity grid. I can rearrange it however I want, move columns, change the layout, hide what I don't need. And editing? It's instant. Pick lists, dates, lookups, even copying straight from Excel. You can paste rows in, add new opportunities right here, and just hit save. Now, let's say I want to focus just on deals in negotiation. I can filter by stage in one click. And if I want to highlight big-ticket deals, I can set a quick rule. Say, show anything above 100K in red. No code, no reports, just real-time filtering and logic. This grid has over 100 records, and I can page through them instantly. No loading delays, no spinning wheels. Let's say I want to update a bunch of deals. Just select, run a mass modifier, and done. And if I want to see how these opportunities relate to their stage, I can drill down right here without leaving the screen. Need to find something? Just type it in. Want to slice by opportunity type or deal size? That's easy too. These filters are right where you need them. No jumping between screens. And when you're reviewing pipeline, grouping is a game changer. I can group by stage, then by opportunity type, and instantly see where deals are clustering or getting stuck. It's flexible, fast, and exactly what sales ops and managers need. Built for people who work in Salesforce every day and just want it to move faster. Try it for yourself for free.